Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to style for you this base outfit which includes these beautiful H&M creamy trousers. I really love them because they are having that slouchy elegance that I absolutely adore when it comes to pants, and on top I'm wearing this really old white shirt that I took from my father's wardrobe and I'm wearing it for so many years now. I absolutely adore this shirt. So I will be styling these two pieces in 5 different ways appropriate for any autumn activities. The point of these videos is just to give us an idea of how we can style the pieces that we have and to give them even more meaning by just creating so many different style combinations. So for that reason I prepared 5 different looks. Now let's get onto it. For this look over here I wanted to create a really elegant look appropriate for night out or any elegant event that you have to attend to. So I'm wearing these really beautiful, my favorite beige or creamy Zara Muse. I also popped on this creamy belt, and on top I just decided to toss on this blazer. I simply adore how ladylike this all appears. I absolutely adore this beautiful white down blazer. It just looks so elegant and classy when you just toss over a blazer over your shoulders, and especially when you add or when you pair it with the beautiful and elegant heels, it just finishes the look like in such a beautiful way. Of course, if you like, you can also just wear a blazer in a normal way. Either way, I simply adore how all of these tones work like perfection. These creamy and white tones, I simply adore them. And simply because we are entering autumn season, that doesn't mean you should put aside your creams and white tones. You can still wear them even in autumn days. Why not? They're always going to bring that elegance to your style. For this look over here, I wanted to create something that is more appropriate for every day. For, let's say, when you're in a rush, you just want to get on something really fast, but yet to look elegant and put together. So I went after these beautiful ballet flats. These are Chanel lookalike flats that I purchased from H&M, and they're such a good dupe. So yeah, if you're on a lookout, H&M always has these ballet flats, and they're absolutely amazing and absolutely comfortable. Then I went after this oversized blazer, also from H&M. I love this really beautiful brownish tone that is really trendy for this autumn season, and I just popped on this bag, and that's pretty much it. I absolutely adore just how effortless this look is. I love that easiness, but yet it is also elegant in a way. So I really love this effortless elegance, and yeah, these pants are also having that effortless elegant touch to them, so it's pretty much easy for entire look to look that way and that is elegant and classy, and that is honestly everything that I look for in the pieces I want to wear on everyday basis as well. I can wear something like this for every day if I want to go to store for a coffee, if I want to go to shopping mall, whatever that is, but a look like this is definitely gonna make me feel content about my overall appearance. For this look over here, I wanted to create something that is appropriate as workwear. So for that reason, I went after these black suede booties with this really gorgeous kitten heel. I say gorgeous because I honestly haven't stepped into more comfortable boots than these are. I just recently purchased them from H&M, and I have to say, if you're looking after a pair of booties that you want to wear for every day, I can definitely guarantee you that you won't regret these simply because they're just so comfortable. I feel like I can run in these. But to move on with the look, to finish the look, I went after this black belt as well, and on top I popped on this Zara structure, the black blazer, just to tie all of those black tones together. And you can easily see how black tones, when you connect them together, easily go with anything cream underneath, white underneath, or any of those sort of tender tones. Black is just going to fulfill this look, and I simply adore how this Zara structure blazer adds a dose of elegance to this look. We're talking about really comfortable pieces over here, but nevertheless, simply because this blazer is structured in a way, it simply finishes the look by adding a dose of elegance. Over here, I wanted to create a really warm autumn outfit, so I went after this pair of Adidas sneakers. On top, I popped my H&M trench coat and this really gorgeous sweater over my shoulders. I absolutely adore how sporty and chic this look appears to be. There is something so chic, to be honest, when you pop on a sweater over your shoulders, even if you're wearing a trench coat or any other coat or any other blazer. There is something so effortless about that style element when you pop on a sweater over your coats and any outwear, as I said. So yeah, I absolutely adore that touch of chicness, and that's pretty much it. This look is quite simple, to be honest. There's nothing complicated about this. Everyone can pull a look like this, but yet this is such an easy go-to look that is really appropriate for autumn days. You can once again see that all of these tones that come from same color palette, those earthen tones, are so complementary, and you can easily style them for autumn days. So I believe a look like this is appropriate for literally anything during autumn days. But it is also important to mention that of course a look like this you can easily elevate if instead of those sneakers you popped a pair of pumps or some cream boots. You can also create a look that is appropriate for workwear or for a night out. It all comes down to where you want and how you want to style it, but I just wanted to point it out as well. Nevertheless, perfect way how you can style for every day. In this look over here, I decided to add again those black elements. So I am wearing these Zara loafers. On top, I'm wearing a Zara leather jacket, and I finished the look with just adding this old purse that I have from Mango, and that's pretty much it. I tied black tones, so black shoes, black jacket, and I also tied those creamy beige tones, creamy pants, and this beige purse, and that's pretty much it. I absolutely adore this look. Again, such a simple yet effective look, a look that is certainly going to keep you warm because this leather jacket is absolutely warm. So yeah, I absolutely adore this look because it is so easy to put it together, and absolutely a look that is appropriate for any everyday autumn activity. So yeah, girls, based on all of these examples, you can see how a base that is all the same can be interchangeable. It all comes down to what shoes, what outwear you're having, and so on, what purses, or even like, okay, throughout all of these examples I had same pair of earrings, but even if you change a pair of earrings, that can also leave such a huge impact, or how you style your hair, how you do your makeup. All of those details play a role in transforming each one of these outfits. And even though I do have the same base, but nevertheless each one of these looks is entirely different, and I absolutely adore to play with the pieces I have in my wardrobe this way, simply because it makes all the pieces that I have in my wardrobe even more wearable. And that is something that I always aim to achieve when it comes to my wardrobe, when it comes to all the pieces that I add to my wardrobe, just to give them even more meaning, even more purpose, and to make them even more wearable than I would in the first place. So yeah, I hope something like this inspire you, so you start doing something similar. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, that will be it in today's video. Thanks all for watching, and yeah, I see you all in the next one. Bye!